Wall decor can be tricky, it can be done really wrong or really right. So a really easy rule of thumb to follow when hanging your wall art is to hang your wall art at 57 inches. So that's about 4'7", and that is known as the average human eye height. So when you're scanning around the room, your artwork and your wall art is really hung at an appropriate height that your eyes can see. Sometimes when wall art is hung too high, it looks really separated from your decor and your furniture, and it looks like it's kind of floating. So try and follow that 57-inch height and your space will drastically change. This also works for hanging gallery walls. So if you don't know where to start at that midpoint at 57 inches and you can build out from there to really have a balanced look. And remember, don't put your picture hanger or your nail at 57 inches. Have 57 inches be the midpoint of your photo. So you're gonna have to hang your little wall hanger a little higher than that to make sure that it ends up right in the middle. All right, now let's talk about pattern. Patterns are kind of scary to work with sometimes. They're pretty intimidating. Sometimes they can look really messy. So a few rules of thumb that you should think about when styling with patterns is scale and type of pattern. So scale is all about maybe pulling in one large scale pattern and bringing in 2 small scale patterns so that you're not doing 3 overwhelming sizes of patterns and your eye just doesn't know where to look. You should focus on one pattern, have that be the highlight, and mix in some smaller scale patterns to kind of balance out a textured look. This is usually easy to do when you have a big pattern rug or a large scale wallpaper pattern. When you're decorating in a room like that, make sure that your pillows or your little accent pieces have smaller scale patterns on them, and it will definitely work for you. So if you're looking for some inspiration on that, definitely check that out. So click that red subscribe button down below and make sure you guys have my notifications turned on so you never miss those upcoming videos. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!